This is the red plumbago. It's also called as fire plant, and chitramoola and chitraka in Sanskrit. This is a very important herb in Ayurvedic medicine, and very nice garden plant also. It can be multiplied. It's a small plant. You can multiply by splitting up from the root. That's the base of the plant. So here you can separate out like this, one or two parts, and then plant it somewhere else. It will come up, and it grows all over the wet, moist forest, it seems, but I didn't see in any forest. So probably it has been harvested to death in these natural locations. But it's there in some collections and all. I managed to procure one from with great difficulty, because everywhere this that blue and white plumbagos are popular. They are much easier to multiply from cuttings and all, and this one also can be multiplied from cuttings. You can cut in a place like this, put it underneath, it will sprout. Now, anyway, the main in Ayurveda they recommend to use this red chitramoola only, and its root is the main herbal medicinal part, and roots are acrid, astringent, and thermogenic, that is, it reduces the fever. And also it expels worms, clears the system from worms and all, and it's constipating, expectorant, anti-inflammatory, and it being a very powerful herb, it should be used with caution, because it can also cause like uterine contractions, and for the fetus to get expelled from the system. So apart from that, that is, it's abortifacient. The other properties are its alterant, that is, it maintains the good health, and it is digestive, and it induces sleep. It's narcotic, that root, and then it's good for gastric troubles, nervous stimulant, and it's rejuvenating. Then apart from that, it is useful in lack of appetite, colic, and inflammation, cough, then bronchitis, worm infestations, hemorrhoids, and also for elephantiasis, and worm infestations, hemorrhoids, chronic and intermittent fever, leprosy, then skin diseases, and leukoderma, ringworm, scabies, irregular periods, and also for disturbed vata and kapha. So it has a very wide range of uses, and it's used in numerous preparations also. And since most of these companies who make use all these herbs, they don't grow it. So and also since it's not available in the wild anymore, what is happening is mostly they use this white chitramoola or blue chitramoola, that is white or blue plumbago, and as a substitute. That's also all right, but it's not the best option. And it's such a beautiful, this year the rains were too much, so the flowers got little bit, flowering got disturbed, there are less flowers, but it's a very attractive flower, and it can very nicely be kept in gardens and all, and very, very beautiful plant. So this chitramoola is one of the valuable varieties, and it should be, this red plumbago has to be a part of every herbal garden, and even anyone who is a nature lover can keep this in their gardens. It's a beautiful endemic plant.